Here's an issue that is coming as a surprise to many persons applying for passports outside of Jamaica. The passport application in the USA for lost passport, damaged passport, stolen passport, minor to adult passports, minor passports, and adult with name change are all going to take you more than 3 months. Today, someone asked me if even if it was lost, it will take over 3 months. Especially if it is lost, it will take over 3 months. In London, in the UK, in Miami, in New York, pretty much any consulate or embassy will take more than 3 months with all of these types of applications. We assist you with these applications, of course, but we do not speed the process up. We help you complete the application so you have a thoroughly done application that will not be rejected and slow the process down. Contact 876 Documents if you have any questions and if you need help. I am Gail. Thanks for watching.